Hi guys, what's up, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. You see the smile that I have today? You see the smile that I'm carrying? You see my hairstyle? Bro, I'm just looking good. Like, okay, anyway, let's get into the video. So by the way, I will first tell you about I'm so sorry about the background. I know my mirror is so dirty, but then I'm in a rush. I'm invited to my sister's place and we're supposed to leave like half an hour ago, but then I'm still here and I couldn't leave without opening my gift. I couldn't leave without recording a video. Okay, so let me just do it real quick. This video is gonna be real quick, real fast. So if you love this hair, just go and purchase it from my website, ruvahaircompany.de. That is my website. This is where you can find all the good hair, the good hairstyles, everything that you're looking for which relates to hair. Okay, so let's get started. So I got my watch. I received it today in the morning as a gift from my boyfriend because I've always wanted a watch, but then I'm a person who doesn't like watches, okay? So, and he's the person who likes watches. So he's like, why is it that I always put on watches and you don't? And I'm like, because I need a watch that like connects with my phone, that has a lot of settings, not just to look at time and everything. So yeah. And then I'm like, if I'm getting a watch, I'm getting the Michael Kors or the Apple Watch. And then I had to do some research and I found that the Michael Kors wasn't going to fit with my iPhone and all the stuff that I needed it for. And then I decided to go for the Apple Watch Series 7. So let me just do the unboxing for you guys. I guess you can see me from the small little mirror of mine. So here is the watch. I guess you can see better like this. It's still boxed and everything. And here's the bag. I guess I'm just going to throw it away. I'm not the kind of person who loves keeping boxes. So let me just open it for you guys. Here's the watch. I'm just going to close the serial number and everything. But I got it in Series 7 Starlight aluminium case and Starlight spot band. So let's just go ahead and open it. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. I really love this watch already. Look at, OMG, it comes in like, here's where the band is and this is where the watch is. They're both heavy, not that heavy, but then you can tell that there's quality inside. And this is just the box of it. It looks so cute. I love the packaging. Let's put this away. And then I first want to go with the band and then I'll open the best for the last. So let's just go. I don't know if my nails are going to do this. Yes. So, and okay, I think I'm going to need some help, but I hope I can manage it. So it comes up like this. Push the watch away. So these are the instructions and everything. We don't need that. It says Apple Watch. If you open it, it looks like this. And these are the bands. This one is the small, medium. This one's the small, medium, and this one is the medium, large. And it's got one of this because this is the same size. I think I fit to this because I really have a tiny wrist. Like, look at this. It's sad. But yeah, let's put this away and then we're just going to go to the baby. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's just open it. Okay, and the other side as well. My nails, guys, my nails are not helping at this point. Okay, so this is how it's looking like. So let me just go on. These are also instructions, Apple Watch, blah blah blah. We don't need this. And here we got the charger. Let me just open it also. Oops. Yeah. So it comes in like this, and the charger is the one for the iPhone 11 and above, I guess. And this, I'm still using my iPhone XX Max, so yeah, I don't have this kind of charger. I have the normal ones, the old version. And then now we go to our tiny little baby. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is the scarf from my previous trip. If you watched my last video, you know what I'm talking about. So this is how it's looking like. Oh my god, you have to watch my face. Let me just open it in front of you guys. It looks so beautiful. I don't know, let me just open it. Okay. Oh my goodness, the back part of it looks so good. Oh my god, my baby. Guys, I don't know if you can see this. Oh my god. Like oh, it's so shiny. It looks so good. I'm in love with it. Anyway, so this is how it is. So let me just go on and connect it to my phone. I just got it in, oh my god, my hair. I got this in GPS only. I didn't get it in cellular data. Like, I don't need it because I always have my phone unless I'm working, so it wasn't necessary for me. I can work with this. Oh my god, it's looking so beautiful at the back. I really love it. Anyway, let me just go on and connect it. So this is how it's looking like, and here I have my phone, which I'm just going to connect with my Apple Watch. One moment, I have to unlock it. Okay, so I've unlocked my phone and I'm just going to switch on my baby. It's already got my lip prints on it. Let me just wipe it a bit. So I've just switched it on. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the screen, yeah, it's on right now. Ooh, I'm so excited. I still haven't put on my bands. Okay, so I'm going to switch on my phone. One moment. So okay, let me screen record the whole process. So okay, continue, and then set up for myself. I have to bring it closer. Okay, now it's done. I'm so sorry about the noise. But set up Apple Watch is what it says. I wear my watch at the left side, so I'm going to put on left. Continue left, and now it's connecting, I guess. Yeah, so it's reading, connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a time. So hello madam, we're about to leave right now. No. Wabika, ndakita keke nezulu. Ayo mauliza tina kune magaba havana vakapedza mashopu. Mina ndio ndiri pakati pekuita video yangu mina. Okay. So then I'm just going to enable it, share with Apple. Okay, my god, I just need it to be in the middle because I don't know, like it's written bold text and size. I'm going to put it in the middle because I don't want it, let me see, like as I'm adjusting you can see no, this is a bit too small. Maybe I'll take it a bit smaller, or like this looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna have it in this side and then continue again, press a card. Okay, so now I'm going to create my code. One moment. Enter a new code. Okay, let me just enter a code. 0987. Okay, and then now I got the activity. I'm just going to skip and set this later. Skip. Enable. Okay. Okay then. So now it needs my Apple Pay. I'm just going to continue. Okay, let me put my okay, so now I've added my card. I'm just going to press next and then agree. This is gonna take a while. Oh, by the way, I was talking to my sister, like I told you, she invited me to a place and I'm still here. So yeah, this is gonna take some time, but I'm so happy that I'll be able to not have to verify. Verification later. Next. Okay, continue. Choose later. I'm gonna go with the grid because I don't know if you guys like your list view, it's okay, but I think the grid plus it fits better to me. So get to know your watch, blah 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 blah. I'm done. Get to know your watch. I'm done, bro. I'm done. Okay, so what's new? Yeah. So this is all that's inside, like what's new, the tips, everything. It just looks like this. That's all. I don't need a so now we have to wait a couple of minutes. About my business. Oh, so now it's reading your Apple ID and phone number are now being used for iMessage and a new Apple Watch. I'm like, okay, it's still connecting. So yeah, anyway, let me tell you about my business, guys. Go purchase yourself some nice hair, like I told you. If you're new here, I am a virgin hair wig maker, virgin hair bundle seller. I sell my bundles as a set, like 3 bundles and a closure or a frontal. I don't sell them separately unless you want to fix your frontal, then you have to buy only a frontal. Otherwise, I have like wigs. They are ready to make wigs. You can just put them on and go, okay? Or you can just be like me and just do the edges and stuff like that. Oh, my battery is almost dead. But anyway, I'll keep on recording with my phone, and then when I'm done, that's it. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. This was all about my watch. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. The next video that you're going to see from me will be the Christmas celebration at my sister's place. I'm just going to do a little vlog, so watch out on that one, and stay blessed. Have a nice end of 2021 and start your 2022 in peace. God bless. So let me just take a small one. Oh, it's done. Oh, look at it. So let me just put on my band. Yep. And the other one, which would be this one. Is it the correct way? I don't know, I guess I'm putting it the wrong way, but yep. And let's just go and put it on. I need it to be real tight. I'm just gonna go down here. So guys, this is how the 45mm looks on a really small wrist. Yep, I love it. And I told you my passcode. So this is it. Now we are inside, and ooh, I'm so excited. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.